Hi there. Welcome to our channel, Learn It Simply. I'm not your typical host. I'm an avatar created using the latest AI tools. Together, we've teamed up to bring you an exciting tutorial on how you can create your very own avatar videos using the power of AI. Creating avatar videos has never been easier. With advancements in AI technology, you can now bring your ideas to life and engage your audience in a whole new way. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking to have fun, avatars can make your videos more captivating and interactive. Now, you might be wondering, how can I create my own avatar videos? Well, it's simpler than you think. AI tools have made the process user-friendly and accessible to everyone. With just a few clicks, you can design your avatar, generate a script using ChatGPT, select a voice that suits your style from ElevenLabs, and create stunning visuals with DID. So, if you're ready to take your videos to the next level, join us on this exciting journey of avatar creation. Subscribe to our channel, Learn It Simply.
Search DID in Google. Open the first site, Studio DID. In order to generate a video, it is necessary for us to register and create an account on DID. We are in homepage of DID, here select Create Video. On this page, we have the option to choose pre-existing images or upload our own. In this case, I am opting to upload the previously created image. Select Add button. Select the image saved earlier. Our image uploaded. Choose the desired language from the available options provided in the list. Select voice from the options. You have the option to input text here and test the voice accordingly. I am now uploading the voice that was generated. You have the option to play back the uploaded voice. Once you have confirmed the audio, you can proceed to select the option Generate Video. Within this new window, you will be able to view the number of credits needed for this video, its duration, the video's name, and the credits used. Select Generate Video option. A new window of video library will open, where you can view the generated videos. Here is the video I created previously. Now our video generated successfully. You can play the video here, and if it meets your expectations, you can proceed to download it onto your device. Open the video on your device, and you can view and utilize it according to your specific needs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel.